Everybody, it's your boy Davey on everything. Obviously, right here with me, my beautiful girlfriend Emily. We are your future urban farmers. Guys, today we're going to finish the deck supports and then put the boards on. Emily's gonna get a blazing fire going here, and we're gonna do some chicken stuff. So stay with us and watch us put this deck together.
Yay!
Have a look. We got the boards on all the way to the stairs, and I'm just leaving those off for when we do the concrete form. But all in all, it looks beautiful, guys. Very happy with how this is turning out. Still lots to do, but at least we can sit and enjoy our deck now. Alrighty, guys, thank you for coming out and checking out our deck project. If you could, go ahead and share this video, throw a comment, let us know how we did, and we will see you guys on the next one.